So this is the wallet, and we're gonna find a transaction and confirm in the wallet. Okay, just stay with me. Let's find transaction from here. Let's see. uh, I got it. It's 0.02294,604. Okay, we gotta confirm this transaction into wallet. Okay, we just need this hash ID. Okay, I just upside down because of the uh, watermark of the number. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna confirm this in wallet. Right click and then go to inspect. Wait for a few seconds and click to console and read this caution that stop this browser features instant for developers. If someone told you to copy paste something here, it is a scam and it will give them access to your money. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet and it has zero balance. Maybe you can use old wallet, but must you had zero balance in the wallet. Okay, maybe it will stolen you. So yeah, this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. But you must need to create new wallet, or maybe if you had on old wallet, then you need to clear it. Okay. So after reading that, read with this caution with it carefully, and then clear everything from here, and then paste your script over here. Right click, select all, right click again, copy your script, minimize it, and then paste it over here. Okay, it's the same process, super simple and super easy. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and there's a transaction. We just need a hash ID. Okay, copy to clipboard, and then we're gonna paste this transaction here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yeah, I just want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here and just refresh the balance. So as you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, and let me show you the date. It's 4 February 2026, and let me refresh it for you. Okay, it's Wednesday, 4 February 2026. Okay, so let me show you one more thing. This is the channel. It has 10k subs on YouTube. Okay, and I own only this channel. Another all channel are fake. People took my videos, copied them, edit them, and upload the channel to scam innocent people. So be aware from that. And this is the transaction. It will maybe take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but let's see. Yeah, it's confirmed. It's 100% confirmed during the video. As you can see, same amount, same BTC amount, but it's BTC rate. I mean USD dollar rate fluctuate. As you know, BTC rate is so high, so don't be worried about that. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you in the next one.